parties aware. I remember during the last meeting, minutes are available. We informed the team, or rather the teams, that what we had agreed on was what we had indicated in the period.
Okinde mayalone achijego kotelnegi kod okil Kamaloka Kioko Kilukumi okoni katiba oyiene mana DPP kende mar wito oko bura ka oluoni nyiso EACC wach ma kamano en mana kaluwore kod luoro ma omigi ma ok en gima ochuno.
Your Honor, we urge you to find and hold that EACC has no role to play whatsoever in this plea agreement.
Seche gogo bende ma jal moro no chopo e nyimdo kama bende no dwaro mondo mi kik chung chenro mar wito oko bura ma kamano mar mibadhi ma bende omako mane gavana machon mar kaunti ma Migori Okoth Obado kod ji mamoko magin achije e bura ma kamano.
I don't want people who are imposed. This guy had a voting from some naughty politician. They come from some black man. They are crucifying me for nothing. This fake guy has come here. Your Honor, this one, I also have my right.
Yes.
This fake guy can't come here to start tarnishing my name. Knowing very well that they crucified me for something that I should not have been charged for. He's a guy I've never seen in Migori. Where do you come from?
Mr. Obado, have your seat. Have your seat. Have your seat. Remind me your name.
My name is Jeffrey Nyagoshi.
What is your point?
My point is,
in one sentence.
my is I don't file an application, an objection based on all everybody has spoken.
Oh, you want to file an objection?
Yeah, based on the
Thank you.
That's what I want to do.
Thank you.
Based on quantum and time.